Okay, let's press render and see how long it takes. Wait a minute, what happened? It finished the render. Seriously? Oh man, 2 minutes to render the video. That's incredible fast, man. Hey, how's it going, guys? That was incredible quick, isn't it? So I'm going to show you how is the performance of the new PC, and we are going to see how it handles the effects into the timeline and how quick is the export time, as well as if it's worth it to keep up to date our system. I was Daniel and welcome back to another video. For this test, I'm going to choose a festival project that I worked last year. This was an incredible experience. I really enjoyed that process. It was 4 days project, 4 days festival. We start filming from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. all day long, working, filming, having some footage. We have drones, we use a GoPro, I use my camera Canon, my colleague used the Sony. So in this project I have too many footage, I have too many effects as well, speed ramps, different resolutions. I have sound designs. This project is 10 minutes long. If you haven't watched that video, you can check in the link in the description below. So let's go and let's start with exporting the video. We are going to use H.264 encoding and we are going to export in software performance. For this test, I'm going to use my MacBook Pro. You can see here the specification is a 2017 model and here is the new PC specification. So you can see some difference over there with the CPU, the GPU as well, and the memory runs. So let's see how it handles both and how it works. For that we have here the project in the timeline. You can see here. And now let's export it. And we are going to use software encoding for the performance. So now let's check the time. We'll have here 0 right now. 0. We are going to set up the time right now and let's check and let's do the export. So it's exporting right now. So now let's wait and see how it handles. We have here the result for software performance. I have the graphic with the Mac and the PC. So for the Mac was 34 minutes 5 seconds and for the PC it was 9 minutes 52 seconds long, so almost 17% faster than the Mac. This is a huge amount of time we are saving. Now we are going to export it again with hardware performance to see how fast it is and to compare it with the software performance as well. For the software performance we use 2-pass encoding, so that means it's going to go through all the videos, the effects and everything to analyze the effects. For hardware performance we are not able to use double pass, so in this case it's only 1 pass. So let's go back there and let's export it again. So we are going to use the same settings. So in this case we go here. In this case we are going to use hardware encoding. Let's reset the time again and let's press export. Let's see how long it takes. The good thing of this project, the director of the festival gave us the really freedom to work with any idea we want to. I remember when I was investing in new batteries, new memory cards, more equipment and everything. It was my first festival and I wasn't sure how it was going to be. At the end it was really amazing experience. I'm really happy. I can't wait for the next year because what's that mean, man? It took 2 minutes to render the video, 10 minutes long with too many effects and too many things. Now we can see here the results for hardware performance. We can see for the Mac took 6 minutes 24 seconds and the PC took 2 minutes 30 seconds. This is a 60% difference. And if we compare the hardware performance with the PC performance, we can see a lot of difference as well. So even when we are using different footage with different resolutions, like 4K footage, we have 30 frames per second, 60 frames per second, 24, slow motion, speed ramps, effects, lumetri colors, looks 2 minutes take. Do you know, it's like saving a lot of time. So from 40 minutes to 2 minutes or even 9 minutes with the software encoding, you are really saving a lot of time. So it's incredible. Now before when I was exporting the videos, during the exporting I was doing the thumbnails for the YouTube or for the video, and the description, the titles, and any other stuff related with the video, even planning for some promotion videos as well for Instagram or for the website. Now I cannot do it. So before I was doing like 2 hours, like 40 minutes exporting, and then doing the thumbnails and everything, and then it's posting YouTube if I'm posting a video on YouTube, and then it was like 1 hour more. So in that case it was 2 hours. Now I can do it in 40 minutes more or less. So I have 1 hour and 20 minutes spare. So I have extra time to do something else, to start working in another project, to start working in a next idea, and come on man, to relax, chill out. That's amazing. This is amazing. Incredible how fast it was, man. So that is a good sign that I can still working in the Mac. So it's not obsolete. I can still working like 1 to 3 years more, and this is still handling good effects in the videos, exporting. I can do, instead of software performance, I can do hardware performance. And now with Premiere Pro updates, it's handled better with the hardware performance and not losing too much resolution into the videos. It looks really similar. So I can use my laptop when I travel, when everything. So, but the reason I upgrade the system is because in the future I want to start making 4K videos, 6K, and using a different resolution, work in a bigger projects where I have to put more transitions, more effects. But I don't have any problems working in the Mac and working in the PC, as once I open the Premiere Pro, the interface is the same. It will change the shortcuts in the keyboards, but remember, you can customize if you want. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. Hit the like button, leave your comment below, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the oncoming videos, and see you guys in the next one. Peace!